Hola. Ni hao.
Kapunka.
Konnichiwa.
Mabuhay!
Ciao. Bonjour.
안녕하세요.
Our chosen industry is
Uy, Mari, tara. Alam mo, iniisip ako. Ano naman yung iniisip mo? Nakatambay ka pa dyan. Alam mo ba yung multicultural diversity? Multicultural diversity? Ano nga ba yung multicultural diversity?
What is multicultural diversity? It is also known as cultural diversity. It refers to various cultural and ethnic groups within the society. It encompasses a wide range of elements including language, race, ethnicity, gender, age, and socioeconomic society. The example of multicultural diversity are education. It is offer diverse curriculum and promotes different cultures. And the next one is a workplace. It is a company with different employees but same opportunity. And the last one is a community. It is encompasses diversity and celebrate different cultural events.
Yun pala ibig sabihin nun. Ako naman, Mari, may tanong. Ano naman yung role nito ngayon sa hospitality and tourism?
Ano nga ba? Ano naman ang role ng multicultural diversity sa hospitality and tourism ngayon?
Having guests from different backgrounds, socializing and handling guests from different country or culture is very crucial in hospitality and tourism industry. It brings new ideas, diverse outlooks, and different ways of communication. It helps us to create authentic experiences that customer seeks while prioritizing the goal of giving service and the guest retention and satisfaction.
Do you want to take a vacation but can't take the hassle for arranging your own trip? What kind of trip? Birthday trip? Honeymoon? Graduation trip? Live on work? Family vacation? Or just trying to discover the beautiful culture of other country? Travel agency can help you there. A travel agency is a private retailer or public service that provides travel and tourism related services, such as arranging flights, accommodations, and tours on behalf of travel and accommodation suppliers. We recommend the best accommodations, restaurants, recreational activities, entertainment events, retail shops, comfortable flights and transportation for your trip. Arrange your itinerary to help you and lessen your worries.
knowing travel agency. We have a job that either we take foreigners in our hometown or we take our people in different places. Different places have different culture. That is why we have multicultural diversity. In our job, we need to be professional and knowledgeable in communicating different people with different culture. We make sure that we don't disrespect them in any way and still prioritizing guest satisfaction. And we are the Future Travelers!
Good day, this is Future Travelers, your trusted travel agency. How may I help you?
Hello, Travel America.
We're in America, ma'am. We're specifically in America, so we can guide you for your future travels.
No, little English. Women Shanku, Argentine. Argentine.
Difficulty in communication between employees and guests from various language backgrounds may result in misunderstanding in travel plans, visa rules, and cultural tips. As per 2022 reports from Statista, English is the most prevalent language in the world's travel industry, yet just 20% of the world's population is fluent in it. According to Marco Atkinson of 2025, roughly 20% of the world's population speaks English, encompassing both native speakers and those who speak it as a second language. A Journal of Travel Research 2021 study revealed that 38% of international travelers encountered problems due to language miscommunication when planning and rescheduling travel.
O Mari, ba't malungkot ka?
Nagka-negative feedback ako, Mare. Hindi ko kasi na-inform yung client about sa standard ng travel destination nila. Conservative pa naman yung Middle Eastern. Ang target booking pa naman nila is honeymoon. Sayang eh.
Better lang next time.
Workers could be ignorant of clients' values, customs, or taboos across culture and cause advertent offense or poor service. The United Nations World Tourism Organization 2020 highlights cultural competence as central in customer satisfaction in international tourism. Harvard Business Review 2019 states that 70% of cross-cultural failures in tourism services are attributed to cultural sensitivity or lack of knowledge.
Yes, Philippines is my destination.
Alright, sir, I can recommend hotels that offer huge beds that can fit Nigerians.
Why does it have to be concern me as a Nigerian?
Sir, I heard Nigerians are huge people like giants.
What?
Employees may hold prejudice and cultural background which can lead to discrimination and unfair treatment. Finding shows that the main sources of discrimination in hospitality and tourism services based on sex, race, or looks.
Look at what you've done. Just mind your own work.
I also disagree with your own work.
Why? This is how I want it to work.
Different company, different rules.
This is how I work for my previous company.
Just follow and respect the company rules.
No!
Maintenance of a multicultural workforce in the agency creates conflict arising from varying work ethics, communication approaches, and expectations. Discover that inclusive companies are 6 times more likely to be innovative, but only when diversity is well managed. SHRM, or Society of Human Resources Management, indicates that 41% of managers struggle to manage diverse teams because they lack of cultural competence.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for choosing us and trusting us in customizing your trip for your vacation. As we want you to able to experience a memorable trip, future travelers are always in trip rescues.
Effective communication. This can help resolve or lessen the difficulty of having language barrier. As we want to cater wider market in our line of work, we need to practice in building positive and effective communication. Here are the ways for effective communication. Number 1, use clear and simple language to avoid misunderstanding. Number 2, provide multilingual support to cater diverse clients. Number 3, be aware of nonverbal communication differences for across cultures.
Hello, ma'am. I just want to ask your personal references in foods, rooms, or places, ma'am, if you have any restrictions, so we will be able to provide better services.
Cultural awareness and sensitivity. In our modern world where information can be easily accessed, we can say that ignorance is a choice. We need to learn more about our jobs and possible markets. Little by little, we will be able to have the awareness and sensitivity about different culture by learning. Here are the practices of cultural awareness and sensitivity. Number 1 is to train the staff on different culture, customs, and etiquettes. Number 2 is be respectful of diverse cultural practices and traditions. Number 3 is avoid making assumptions or stereotypes based on cultural backgrounds.
Sir, ito po.
pwede niyo po siyang i-include for services sa inclusivity ng different cultures.
Aba, okay to ah.
Inclusive services. Our services should welcome multicultural diversity as we want to incorporate them with our chosen industry. Here are the practices for having inclusive services. First one is to offer products and services that cater to diverse cultural needs. Second one is to provide options for different dietary requirements, accommodations, and activities. Lastly is to ensure that marketing materials are culturally sensitive and inclusive.
I am very disappointed with this.
We are very sorry to hear that, ma'am. Can you please tell us the problem, ma'am, to reassure you that we are aiming for you to get only the best services, ma'am?
Conflict resolution. Conflict or misunderstanding can be avoided at all times. Even if we think we did our best, the most important as a travel agent, we resolve the arise conflict in a positive way. Here are the practices in conflict resolution. The first one is practice active listening and empathy when dealing with conflicts. And the second one is work collaboratively to find solution to meet customer needs. And the last one is be patient and understanding when communicating across cultural boundaries.
So guys, we're gonna talking about how we able to provide inclusiveness in having multicultural in our services.
Training and development. As we expect our agents to perform their job well, the company should provide training to nurture more the knowledge and talents of the employees for them to produce better services. Here are the practices in staff training and development. One is provide ongoing training on cultural diversity, inclusion, and sensitivity. Two is encourage staff to share their cultural experiences and insights. Three is foster a positive and inclusive work environment. All settled, ma'am. After you provide all the information needed in the form, ma'am, we will appreciate it if you can answer the feedback form from the last page, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for trusting future travelers until your next trip.
Clients' feedback and engagement. Feedbacks from our customers is very important for us travel agents to do a better job. We will be able to retain our positive practices and to eliminate our negative practices that sometimes we do not observe. Here are the steps in client feedbacks and engagement. First is to listen client feedbacks to improve our services and products. Second is to engage with our clients through social media or any other channels to build a strong relationship with them. And the last is number 3 is to use the client feedbacks to make continuous improvements with our services and products. Out of all the challenges that we present in our video, we know that facing difficulties in handling guests and customers in travel agency is inevitable. Instead, we need to guide our actions with moral and professionalism with our job. Learn about different culture, be knowledgeable, aware, and adaptable. We can also apply the 10 ways of the recent professionals in handling customer or guest diversities.
In everything, the first rule is to being always be a professional.
Know your job with passion.
Learn to be a good listener.
Go beyond the basic of being friendly.
Be efficient. Embrace all differences.
Understand to be understood. Be a walking Wikipedia.
Observe the basic rule of engagement. Be yourself.
Unfortunately, we didn't get the chance to interview professionals or experts in our chosen industry. Instead, we get the opinions of our hospitality students for aspiring professionals from CBSU Carmona Campus. So we have here Miss Johanna, Jenny, Miss Libra, Miss Tina.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Of course, nag-iingat ako sa bawat gagawin ko. Gawin din ako para mag-enjoy, pero dapat
mag-ingat at respetuhin natin yung ibang kultura.
Siguro for me kasi nagre-research muna ako para siguro aware din ako kung ano yung mga culture nila doon. So parang hindi din ako ma-shock pag nandun ako.
So, ino-observe ko kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila sa loob ng paligid.
Pagkapunta ko doon, syempre nag-o-observe ako kung ano yung madalas nilang ginagawa. Then, nag-iingat ako sa mga gagawin ko. Syempre, na-amaze ako na yung differences namin. May bago rin ako natutunan, kaya masaya rin ako.
Siguro na-amaze ako kasi syempre different culture, gano'n. Tapos iba sa akin. So parang nakashock ako na parang, ay, ganun pala yung sa kanila. Gano'n.
Siyempre, minsan nagugulat dahil sa ganun pala yung ginagawa nila. Iba pala talaga yung mga culture nila.
Syempre, na-shock ako, pero may times na na-amaze. So, gaya nung ako sinabi, nag-iingat ako. And before ako pumunta doon, nag-research din ako. So, hindi ko ma-disrespect kung ano yung kultura nila doon.
Siguro nililimitahan ko din yung galaw doon. Siguro parang hindi din sila mabastos.
Siyempre, nag-iingat sa mga ginagawa ko and nagtatanong din ako kung ano yung mga bawal na gawin sa loob ng kanilang paligid.
Syempre, nagtatanong ako sa mga kasama namin, lalo na pag sa tour. Then, after ko malaman, syempre, inaayon ko yung kilos ko sa mga ginagawa nila.
Here are some examples of travel agencies. Booking.com, Expedia Group, Agoda.com, Airbnb, BCD Travel, Rome Travel Company, lastminute.com, Make My Trip, Skyscanner, Surradar.com, Travel Perk, CWT, Despegar, Hostel World,
are the multicultural diversity in
Travel Agency.